Dolly and Friends!
Knock, knock, who is this? Beep, ho, tell me please. Knock, knock, who is this? Who's at the doorstep? Large Sphinx! Sharp talons? Shaggy wool! Ah! It's a wolf! Ah! Knock, knock, who is this? Beep, ho, tell me please. Knock, knock, who is this? Who's at the doorstep? Blunt nose? Sharp feet? Sharp teeth? Oh, it's a shark! Ah! Knock, knock, who is this? Beep, ho, tell me please. Knock, knock, who is this? Who's at the doorstep? Big head! Sharp teeth! Tiny hands! Oh, it's a T-Rex! Oh!
Tommy, why are you so clumsy? Oh, what's this?
I don't know. An egg, I think.
An egg?
Yeah, some random egg was just lying around here. So let's get back to the game.
Wait.
Attention, out of energy. Have to find Daddy.
Oh, look at him. He is so cute. And he's lost his daddy. Oh.
Yeah, such a cute egg. Leave it here and let's get back to the game.
No, we've got to save Mr. Egg. He told us he is out of energy. Let's try to feed him.
One drone is missing, boss.
I know. I even know where it is. Come on, let's bring the chicken back to the daddy.
What happened, Tommy? Yeah, what happened, Tommy? Are you scared? What nonsense! I'm not scared. I was just looking for my, I was looking for my camera. Your camera? Yeah, because I'm gonna make my own film about zombies. Cool, zombies. Can we star in your film too? Please, Tommy, please. Okay. I'll be a girl running from zombies. And I will be a zombie. Arr! Let's go. Lights, camera, action. Ouch, Panda! but you don't bite Dolly in this scene. Sorry, I'm hungry.
Me too. And me too. Oh.
Okay. 5-minute break.
Hooray!
Who wants a sandwich? Oh no, it's empty.
What? Doggy, you stole our sandwiches.
But I'm still hungry.
Wait, it can be dangerous.
I'm hungry.
Where have you been so long? Dolly, Panda, Barry's zombie. Yeah, we're Dolly and Panda. Oh, here you are. Wait, I'll take the camera. Yeah, keep playing. Watch out! Open, please! Open, please!
Oh, again, those kids. Now, tell me what's going on here.
We were hungry, but Doggy ate all the food, and then we saw a berry bush. Dolly and Panda ate the berries and became zombies.
Were those the purple berries?
Yes!
Now we need to feed them the orange ones to make them normal.
Dolly, dinner time. Oh? Oh, Dolly has lost.
I'll call Johnny the officer.
Look, we need this orange berry to cook a potion.
I see them! The orange berries! Oh, but Dolly and Panda are walking around there.
We need to think of something.
Any ideas?
I think I came up with.
Zombie photo session! Okay. Now smile, please.
Almost done. Hold on, bro.
Oh, what's going on here?
Come on, go inside.
Now tell me what's going on here.
It's Dolly and Panda, but they're zombies now.
What? Can we find a way to help them?
Already found. We need to feed them orange berries. Brother Hedgehog, have you got some?
No, I've lost all of them.
I don't think so. Johnny, do you have some donuts?
I'm working in the police. Of course I do.
Oh, what was
Oops. Oh, finally! We were so worried about you. Let's see, what do we have here? Come on, jump!
No, slide down.
Jump now!
Aww.
Okay, now it's my turn.
No, mine.
You lose, it's mine!
Panda, you lost. Give Tommy the phone.
I see. You're having fun here.
No, Panda doesn't want to share the phone!
Because it's mine.
No, mine!
Enough. What if I give you something you can play all together?
Thanks, but...
That was creepy. And this looks creepy too.
Anyway, it's all that we have now. The batteries run out. Okay, we have a game field, some action figures, and a strange plastic castle? Flock, I think? Who will read the rules? I will. Okay. Hey, why are you first again? The rules say that the middle player goes first.
Hey, why did you move your figure that far?
The rules say that if you rolled a 2, you're moving for 10 steps forward.
No, you're cheating again. Give me the book.
Happy now? Look what you've done! It's all Tommy's fault. Give me the rules.
Great, now we've lost the rule book.
Calm down. If we want to get out, we should stick. I see the way. Together.
How do you know that's the right way?
Because it's the short way. I'm first.
I don't like it here. Did you hear that?
Yeah. Panda! Where is Panda? Boo! Panda, it's not funny.
Oh, you should have seen your faces.
Well, Panda, wanna go first again?
No, Tommy will be first.
See? A piece of cake.
I almost died there.
Stop crying, Tommy. I think we are almost done. Kinda safe.
What's glittering there?
Looks like the final prize. I'm first. Panda! Watch out! We did it!
Wait! What's this?
We need one more heavy thing. No! Don't look at my cup like that! Panda, we have to leave something on the 4th button. Let's leave Tommy. Huh? Panda? Look! No hands!
I'm the rocket! Yeah! We are the rockets!
Don't ride on your boards here. It's a bike track.
No, it's for skates too!
Yeah, but we came here first.
No, we came here first.
Go find another place.
No, you go find another place.
Fight! Fight!
What if we made a competition?
Huh?
I mean, race around the park. The winner will stay, loser will go.
Okay, if Tommy is not a chicken.
I've never been a chicken. Let's start right now.
Dolly, Tommy, come on, it's time to go home.
Just a minute, Mom.
No more minutes. Come here now.
We'll continue tomorrow.
Sure. Tomorrow, I'll become the winner. I'm gonna eat all the vegetables to be in perfect shape.
Hey!
Mom, can I have more vegetables?
I want them too.
Augusto, hello? Can you hear me? Roger.
Hi, Tommy. I hear you, Roger.
See you in the park in 30 minutes, Roger.
Got it. Roger. What took you so long?
Too much vegetables. Come on, let's go.